Come on, we need that 0. I don't think it's gonna happen. So there's something I put on my wall so that way it would be easy and convenient and available whenever I needed it, so that way I would have no excuses to clean. And that's right here in the bedroom or in the bathroom. This is a Swiffer duster, and I have not touched it since the second week I moved into my rig. Look at that dirt. Look how dirty. Look how filthy this is. It's gotta go. We gotta get a new one. You know what? I used to hate cleaning, dusting, mopping. Well, I still do. But I always thought of it as a necessary evil, like I was being punished for something. Growing up, you have chores, and chores are always cleaning or vacuuming and taking out the trash. And because of that, I always had like this negative impression that cleaning was chores and chores are bad and it's a waste of my time and do I have to do it? And at least back then, I got an allowance for doing it. I got paid for cleaning. I don't get paid for cleaning anymore, you know? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. What's going on here? What happened here? It looks like they're... What the heck? Looks like I see little nail things here, but looks like this entire piece is just starting to come off, and it doesn't look like it's held on by nails at all. I mean, what is this? Look at the things you find when you're cleaning, trying to do good, and then you find out that, oh, it's just more stuff to the honey-do list. The unfortunate thing is, I have no honey to do things. So it's all on me. So no matter what I do, I can never get my black tank to show anything other than 67% full. Let me show you. No matter what, it's always 67. Well, wait a minute. Black tank 2 should be empty, and that's showing 33%. Why? It should always be empty. I don't even use it. Black tank 1 is always 67% full or 100% full, even right after I flush. Now, I know that's a common experience. It happens to everyone in the RV world, but I want to fix it. So I ordered. So this is supposed to be a flush tank valve. You attach it to your hose. It's supposed to be you attach it to your hose, and it's got like this whirlwind kind of pressure thing that's supposed to get all the gunk off the sides and ultimately free up the sensor. I can just box. A box in a box. I left my pocket knife inside. Here we go. So this is the RV flexible swivel stick holding tank release valve shut off. So what's supposed to happen is you connect this to the side of your hose. It provides the water, and then this thing here spins around, closing off the gunk. So let's see how it goes. So to test this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the black tank. I forgot on this hose here, I have a water leak somewhere. So I have This Gorilla Tape is supposed to be waterproof, so I'm gonna cut some of that and see if that works. Just peel this. Just gonna peel this little sticky back part off right here. It's it is absolutely not working. So I'm going to hook up the hose to the little thingy. Connect to here. Alright, so I turned the city water off so that way when I hold down the foot pedal there won't be any of the water going through this. I'm going to stick this down the hole and then turn the water onto this and let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. Slow at first. Oh, let's open that. Okay, and here we go. Kind of cut. No, it doesn't seem like it's going very far down, but I don't know what. I got the one with the swivel so it can go all the way further down, but I don't know how far, it goes down. Because I hear it hitting the bottom, the little trolley things, I hear it hitting the bottom of the. Okay, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to check the panel to see if it says anything. Still says 67%. Okay, I know some of you are going to yell at me for this, and I know it, but I probably should have put gloves on before starting this project. Okay, there's got to be a way that this goes down even further. I need to check something. I have no idea which way that valve goes, or this hole goes once it goes down there. It's really too hard to tell. Don't try this at home. Ow! Just snapped. I think that corner that it needs to go down is just too tight of a corner, and that swivel thing is just way too thick. The only thing I can hope is that the water pressure will go down the sides and it will help shake off some of that loose gunk. If it's showing it's at 67%, that means there's gunk on the higher up levels of the sensors. Maybe I should close the tank. Yeah, I'm gonna go close the tank to see how that works. Okay, so next, I got some of this, because right now the stench is kind of special in here. It says there's a scoop inside, but I don't see it. It's probably buried. What I'm trying to do is I'm going to wait for the black tank to say 100, and then I'm going to go and empty it again. Okay. Let's go and unplug, let's go and drain it, and let's see what happens. Alright, well, I hit the macerator, turned on all the things that I have available at my disposal. Let's go see what it says. 33%. Alright, so we got it from 67 to 33. I guess that's progress. That means the sensors are at the very lowest point, so maybe you try it one more time. Just finished up number 2. I mean, black tank flush number 2, not finishing going number. This time I brought my phone with me, and I can connect straight to the panel without having to go inside, so I can see what's happening in live time. So my goal is that we can get down to that 33 mark and then even get it to 0. And if we can get it to 0, I might just do one more flush just to make sure that there's nothing left over, like some minor thing, and then I'll be good to go. Okay, so we're already down to 67%. And we're down to 33. And it is still dropping. Well, it's still at 33%. I'm going to try it one more time. One more time. Third time's a charm. All right, we're full. Here we go, dumping for the third and final time. All right, well, I'll drop down to 33% real fast. Come on, we need that 0. Try to master it. I don't think it's gonna happen. 33% still. Yep. Well, it didn't get to perfect, but we were able to get that 67% mark off, so still down to 33 even though I'm empty, so I guess better than nothing. Okay, so the ultimate verdict. Does it work? It kind of did, but it kind of didn't. Is it worth it? I don't know. I wish there was a better way that I could get the little, you know, this thing into the hole even further down, but it just this is too big. It just wasn't going all the way down to the tank. So there's another version and it's just straight down, but obviously I wanted the flexi one. So does it work? I don't know. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments what I'm doing wrong, if anything.